Time to get the RV ready for hitting the road again. Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and I am getting ready to get back out on the road and doing some traveling pretty soon. So I'm checking in on my RV and trying to get it up to snuff. Now, one of the things I noticed is that I have been having trouble trying to start it, and it turns out I have a dead battery. It is not necessarily due to anything that I know of, in terms of anything draining it, but there is something wrong, and I went and checked it, and looks like the battery is totally dead. So I went out, picked up a new battery. I'm going to install it and get it ready, turn over the RV and see if it works, and that's very exciting. So let's get to the project right now. So before I drop some money on a new battery, just want to check it one more time, and as you can see, it's not a good thing. This battery is clearly dead. It's time to go and replace it. Just picked up the battery from Autozone, going to put it in the RV. Believe it or not, there was just a regular standard car battery in there. I ended up going with the RV deep cycle battery for this one. Hopefully this has more crank amps and should last a lot longer. So let's go put this one back in. So here's the new battery. I'm going to pick it up, connect it in there, and hopefully everything will be good. So the battery looks like it fits pretty well. It's now time to get it connected and then try to turn it over. Whew. It is done. And went off without a hitch. Oh boy, I'm so excited. Now it's time to get this bad boy ready to get out on the road again. Hey, I know this was a quick video, but thanks for watching, and thanks for hanging out with me. Of course, you can find me all over at RVJedeye, and then of course on my blog at RVJedeye.com. If you like the video and like what I'm doing here, please click and subscribe, and just follow along. Lots coming up in 2018. Hey, you know my feeling. If you love to RV and you're interested in RV and get out there and do it, you know what? You're gonna have lots of fun.